Here is a stunning gown that caught my eye. It reminded me so much of old Pierre Balmain. This is a vintage dress from West Germany. It's made with all this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous fabric, and oh, I love the design. It's a little big on my mannequin. I think it's a size 10, so I have to measure it and show you what the measurements are, but obviously this dress is so beautiful, and the fabrics and everything, just gorgeous. It's in mint condition, colors are rich and beautiful. What a stunning dress. So this dress is a 57. It is a 36 bust, and it has a 30 waist. It says 90% acetate, 10% bum wool, butter, 100% acetate, made in West Germany. German size is 40. Okay, so here's an absolute stunning vintage halter. Doesn't get better.